Many people make a lot of mistake by posting their video through the YouTube app. If you are posting your video through a YouTube app, I promise you, you will not get any result. If you are posting your video through that plus sign, this plus sign you are seeing on the screen, through YouTube app, you can never get a result. You can never get a view because you can never give all the detail that they require to that video. So guys, a lot of people are making this mistake and a lot of people are failing it. Even me, I'm a victim to that mistake because I have tried upload many videos, but the video did not go viral. Meanwhile, still I can't discover say this way I'm uploading my video is the wrong way. So you are making a mistake by using YouTube app to upload your video. You are making a mistake by using a YouTube app to upload your video. If you do that, don't do it again. Let me show you the right way. The right way to upload a YouTube video is this. In case if you are across this video newly and you are across my channel newly, if it is what you want to know how to upload your video to get more view and to get a good result on YouTube channel, please kindly consider by clicking on subscribe button so that you subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to show you a lot of things that you never know, a lot of secret that not any YouTuber have telling you before. I'm going to show you. So if it is what you like, kindly click on subscribe button and subscribe to the channel and like my video and drop a comment where you are watching me from, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell, because when I'm trying to drop in update, if you can see I start this channel new, I want all of us to start build our channel newly so that you can see the result massively. So I have some like almost 2-3 channels that have already monetized. I start this one newly again so that I will put many people through. Some people collect money for webinar. I will do everything on my own practically. So without waste much of your time, I would like to take you to the screen when I can show you how you can upload your YouTube videos to get more view and at least today more attractive. Because for those of you that are uploading video through YouTube app, you can never get all the detail that video required to get attractive. You can never get all the required what video require, all the detail that you're supposed to put, the tag and whatever on that place. So if you do that now, don't do it again. Let's today to be the end of low view on your channel. So guys, if you want to upload on YouTube, you want to upload your video, first of all, if you have if the phone you use or a laptop, go to your Google browser, Google Chroma key, search for YouTube Studio Dashboard. Then when you click on YouTube Studio Dashboard, like as we are seeing on my screen here, then you will see everything. So let me take you to my screen so that I will show you everything without no wasting much of your time. So guys, like I told you, if it is what you like to know and what you wanted to learn how to start upload your YouTube video to go viral, so kindly consider by subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss anything. So let me show you on the screen so that you get nowhere. So guys, here we are going to the screen where we see all these things. Now you open your menu. If you are uploading, if you are if you are to go to open YouTube app, like YouTube app that you are seeing here, you open it. And if you are someone that is going to using this plus sign, you see this plus sign that the arrow is directing. If you are the one that is using it, don't using it again. It's a big mistake. Don't use this. Let me show you the difference. Now let's go. I will upload one video now so that you can see. Let me upload video. You can let me select anyone. Let me select this one that I am. Okay, let next. So here and next, you can see this one did not get more places when YouTube give to put more information. It's just some short on the right up. I know that YouTube give it, but it's not recommended for you to use it for your channel. So you can see it just have a small space in there. You can put the title of the video, description, and if you schedule the video, the location, add to playlist, and this is the only thing that they have for him. But in that other way that I say that I'm going to show you, if I show you that one, you will see say you have more features in it. So let's go back. Let's go open Google Chrome. Let's go open Google Chrome so that I will show you all the things. When you open your Google Chrome, I'm going to search this YouTube Studio Dashboard. Then let's wait till you open this YouTube Studio. Click on it. You click on this YouTube Studio, you wait for him to open. Let's see, he has opened. Let's use Chrome. Let's use Google Chrome. The thing is loading. Let's wait patiently so that we will not miss anything out there. Okay, see, you can see your dashboard is open here. As you see this dashboard that is open here, what you are going to do here now, where you are going to follow to upload your video, is you are going to follow. Let me put picture here for you. You are going to follow this right side here. You see this arrow that goes up. You are going to click on that arrow. This arrow that is going up here, you are going to click on the arrow. You can see you go say, okay, oh yeah, select file. So that you upload a video, you have to select the file. When you are going to click on the file, you click on the file, this file that you see that this arrow go. That is the only right way for you to upload your video on YouTube. So you click it. You can go to download if you're on Android. Anyhow, you know how to get your video from your file. So you open it, your file will open. Let's wait. Okay, the file has been opened. Let me use one video as an example for you here, guys. Let me use one video as an example for you. You can see I don't put one video now. It's loading. See space of more. You see where I go put my title, description, and others, the video language, and this, and it still have see more. You will click on this see more. Let me put picture on here. This see more that my direction go to here. You can click on this see more. You still have more space to fill in the detail of the video that you want to upload. So you still have more space, more places there for you need to fill in, so that you can put the tag, the everything, this and that. We have like 2 or 3 4 steps before you can successfully upload the video. But in other places, you can see that see more side. You see that see more, you click on it, you can scroll it, you can see it. When you click on this see more, it will give you more place where you will put the detail of the video again. So when they give you the more place, you make sure you fill everything properly, and make sure say you give the detail. You can see what I'm saying. See as I'm scrolling now, you will see you can see what and what you need to do, what you need to do. That is why you see me at the picture here, so that you know your direction. You will not going to click any other thing. You can see there is enough things for you to fill, so that your video will be recommended by YouTube. If you don't feel this thing, zero your mind, that video will be boring and you do not even go viral. Anyhow that content good, you will see say you no go viral. So there is enough of question for you to answer for your video detail before you upload it to your channel. So you can see that is why you can see say I just give you expo by putting the picture for you here, so that you can see how it is and how it work. If without putting all these things, you have 1 2 3 to 4 or step to take. After finish this one filling, you next, you fill the next one, you next finish the next one, next. You make sure say you put your thumbnail properly. Then you can see say when you upload your video, and you go start going viral. And the tag to know the right tag for you to put for your video. No go put anyhow tag, so that YouTube can know exactly on there. Here you can select the video type, the video category, everything. Then YouTube will decide the right audience to share your video to. So guys, you can all see this what I'm showing you. Follow it step by step, so that you get everything you want to get. Make sure say you subscribe to my channel, because a lot is going to come in, and I promise to teach you people a lot. After everything, you next, when you next, you have to wait and let your data to be on. You will see your video start uploading. You will see your video will start uploading properly without any obstruction. So guys, you can see the next button for down here. Then you click it. When you click it, you have already done what you wanted to do. Don't go post your video on YouTube app again. I believe you guys love what you have learned from this video. I believe you guys are happy for not making the mistake that you have been making for so many days ago. So guys, on our next video, I'm going to show you how to get more views on your YouTube channel, how to get more view on your video. So if it is what you like to know, like I told you earlier, you like to learn, continue learning from me on our next video, how to get more view on your YouTube channel, how to get more subscriber on your YouTube channel. Kindly consider by subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to share this video so that other people too will learn how to do it. And I'm going to create a WhatsApp group where all of us will start gather to learn everything we want to learn. So if it is what you like to get in touch with me, and it is what you like to know everything about YouTube, how you can go viral, you can create a channel in between 2-3 months you get monetized. If it is what you like to know, kindly do what as I say so by subscribing to this channel. So, and don't forget to share the video to your friends and family so that them too they can achieve it too. Like to see you for the next video.